Once upon a time, in One Day Land, a couple seeks their long-last honor of love and commitment. Their new adventure of happily ever after had begun, and now the time has come to present their fairy tale to the world. They have traveled and celebrated through many cities across their journey, and now they continue to wonder where their dream wedding could be held. Then they landed in Bangkok, the city of romance. The couple searches through the whole town. Finally, they have found a place, and the rest is the history.
Madam, a couple is waiting outside, asking for our venue to be held for their wedding celebration. They came from faraway land.
When do they need the venue?
Right away, they said.
What? How dare they?
I tried to explain, but they keep on saying it has to be today, madam.
This is the greatest, the most magnificent, the most tremendous, the most glorious royal grand hall of our romantic town. Tell them to come back next year.
Yes, madam. Oh, I almost forgot. They have offered a gift.
The gift?
They said if you love the gift, will there be a chance?
My favorites. How do they know?
Well, it's a lovely gift they offer, but still, this is not possible.
But, madam, they have already bribed the crowd by giving everyone the gift. And everyone is willing to accept their wedding ceremony to be held here. Right now.
Huh, really? Do you all agree with this idea? Okay, but wait, I have to see them first. Go and get me my treasure box. Stand still.
Oh, how beautiful! May I get a touch of your magic too, please?
No.
Then, couple by couple, they all entered into the big wedding hall, where magnificent music and glorious performances awaits. And it is pretty certain that the smile on the couple is the most beautiful among the cheerful crowd and everyone in the grand hall. Because their one day is now.